The Demo Dram project is a project that is exploring how we can make democratic spaces in education, and we're looking at how teachers of other subjects such as humanities and languages can use drama in their own practice to open up spaces for young people to talk about societal issues.
Is important for young people because it will give them opportunities to voice their opinions in classroom situations using fictitious and non-fictitious scenarios. It will enable their teachers to open up areas of the curriculum and communicate with them more